Maybe a decade ago, when people were still getting used to the idea of mobile phones, I'm sure they couldn't have imagined that communication in a virtual world that's untethered and massive would ever be possible. As we have been seeing and hearing, the inception of a fully functional virtual universe is happening right before our eyes, and it's called the Metaverse. A lot of people who visit the Gadgets 360 website have been sending in questions on how to enter the Metaverse, as they have been left intrigued by all these fancy brands announcing their Metaverse projects. Some even want to know what it is all about and what the hullabaloo is. In recent times, several big names like Adidas, McDonald's, and even Victoria's Secret have emerged as upcoming entrants into the Metaverse. Multiple digital characters from different worlds can coexist, explore, play, socialize, and even work in the Metaverse. That's what makes it so fascinating. यही नहीं, डिजिटल कलेक्टिबल्स जिन्हें हम NFTs के नाम से भी जानते हैं, मेटावर्स का हिस्सा होने वाले हैं, जिससे जो आपके डिजिटल अवतार हैं वो इन NFTs के साथ इंटरैक्ट कर पाएंगे. Imagine having your favorite Pokemon as your digital avatar's pet. That's possible in the Metaverse. Several real estate and gaming projects have already made it to the Metaverse, churning billions of dollars in revenue. अब इतना सुन लेने के बाद आप भी सोच रहे होंगे कि इस मेटावर्स में प्रवेश करा कैसे जा सकता है. Hey guys, I'm Cyrus and welcome to another episode of Crypto Unfiltered, and this week we bring to you a noob's guide to step into the Metaverse. So anybody can enter the Metaverse at any time and from anywhere in the world. Metaverse में एंट्री के लिए आपको एक iOS या फिर एक Android डिवाइस चाहिए एक वेब ब्राउजर के साथ. आप एक AR या फिर एक VR हेडसेट का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपका Metaverse का जो अनुभव है वो और अच्छा हो सकता है. Let's now dive into how we can get into the Metaverse with these simple steps. Make a crypto wallet like MetaMask and check if the Metaverse platform you choose has a native cryptocurrency. Keep some of those native tokens handy to pay any service fee if the requirement comes. Digital wallets also allow you to store and port your game assets. Step 2. Choose the platform from which you wish to see it. Currently, Decentraland, The Sandbox, Axie Infinity, and Roblox are some top names in the Metaverse sector. Step 3. Personalize your digital representation and follow the platform's guidelines that will land you in a virtual universe. If, for example, you choose the Decentraland platform, you can sign in as a guest from your web browser, connect your wallet, customize your avatar, and enter the Metaverse. You can also own a plot of land by paying for it in the Mana currency, which is the native of Decentraland. Recently, the JP Morgan Bank became the first in the world to launch a Metaverse branch in Decentraland. Another medium to enter the Metaverse is Stageverse, which is available on iOS and Android devices. Just visit your app store to download the Stageverse. Similarly, you can use the spatial Metaverse platform on your browser or mobile to explore a 3D workspace. Simply sign in on the spatial website and explore the virtual world it created. Fun fact, Elon Musk thinks that the Metaverse will not catch up to its hype in the long run because keeping a virtual set over your eyes is obviously inconvenient. Metaverse के अराउंड काफी हाइप क्रिएट की गई है, लेकिन फिलहाल हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म में बस कुछ ही गेम्स खेल सकते हैं, आर्टिफिशियल चीजें बना सकते हैं और दूसरे लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं. लेकिन पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Let's take a look at other important developments in the cryptocurrency space. Russia waged a war on its neighboring nation on the 24th of February, with the Russian military causing destruction to Ukrainian lives and infrastructures on the orders of President Vladimir Putin. Several nations imposed penalties on Russia, crashing its fiat currency ruble to trade at less than $1. In these times, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a powerful economic tool. While Ukraine is accepting millions of dollars in crypto donations, international crypto exchanges are being asked to block Russian crypto accounts to isolate their economy. So far, exchanges like Binance,
Coinbase and Kraken have refused from blocking innocent Russians during these rough times. Meanwhile, the testing of Russia's digital ruble is still underway.
Also, the country of Belarus, which promotes a crypto-powered economy, will soon be getting an official crypto wallet register to keep records of suspicious operations. Any crypto wallet that identifies to be linked to illicit activities will be listed in this register to be kept under the scanner. The New York Stock Exchange has filed for licenses to operate as crypto exchanges and Metaverse-powered NFT marketplaces in the future.
The Stock Exchange of Thailand has also filed for similar approvals.
Crypto is a high-risk asset that is still volatile in nature, which means देश दुनिया में जो भी चीजें हो रही हैं उससे क्रिप्टो मार्केट पर भी असर पड़ता है. Under the geopolitical tensions boiling hot between Russia and Ukraine, the crypto market witnessed ups and downs in recent days.
Bitcoin and Ether saw gains, especially after Ukraine began inviting donations in them to tackle the ongoing humanitarian crisis. Following Bitcoin and Ether, majority cryptocurrencies including Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have recovered from the dip spells they were struggling with since the beginning of 2022.
BTC values hovered around the $45,000 mark and ETH kept close to the mark of $3,500.
Among other popular coins like Cardano, Terra, Binance Coin and Polkadot observed minor changes on a daily basis. Stable coins such as Tether and USD coin saw more gains compared to other altcoins because of their nature of being collateralized alongside a stable reserve asset like gold or the US dollar.
Time to look at how major tokens are performing, because as an investor you need to keep an eye out on details like these.
If we look at our crypto tracker for the week, we can see that Bitcoin is down by 0.12%, while Ethereum is also down by 0.71%. Tether, Binance and Ripple have shown gains, while Shiba Inu continues to struggle with a 2.31% drop.
Since crypto is yet to get legal status in India, things can go either way, which is why it's important that you stay updated with all that's happening in the crypto space via the show, especially if you are investing in crypto. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered for this week. If you have any questions, send them across to us on our Twitter or Facebook pages and we'll have an expert answer them for you. This is Cyrus John signing off with a promise that I will be back with more crypto next week. See you soon.